Namaskar. Welcome to PK's classes. Today we'll study polymorphism in the enzyme pseudocholinesterase. So cholinesterase is the enzyme which is of two types: acetylcholinesterase or true cholinesterase, which is located in the synapse and is responsible for rapid breakdown of acetylcholine in the nervous system. And the other one is the butyrylcholinesterase, which also known as pseudocholinesterase, located in plasma and liver and hence also called as plasma cholinesterase, and it is responsible for metabolism of drugs like succinylcholine or suxamethonium, mivacurium, cocaine, etc. So there can be mutations in the plasma cholinesterase or pseudocholinesterase which shows genetic variations. The wild type 1 butyrylcholinesterase U shows normal enzyme activity, whereas butyrylcholinesterase A and butyrylcholinesterase K show reduced enzyme activity, and butyrylcholinesterase F shows severe deficiency causing resistance to the drugs. Which drugs? These drugs which are metabolized by butyrylcholinesterase: succinylcholine or suxamethonium, mivacurium, cocaine. So suxamethonium or succinylcholine is a short-acting neuromuscular blocker used in anesthesia, and it is short-acting because it is rapidly hydrolyzed by plasma cholinesterase or butyrylcholinesterase. When there is mutations in plasma cholinesterase, mostly A or K, then 1 in 3,000 individuals fail to inactivate suxamethonium rapidly. So the drug remains there and experience prolonged neuromuscular blockade. There will be prolonged apnea, that is breathing difficulty. So the chance is 1 in 3,000, and 1 in 3,000 people, they actually have reduced enzyme activity, pseudocholinesterase enzyme activity, and that leads to this prolonged neuromuscular blockade action by suxamethonium. And if there is butyrylcholinesterase F polymorphism, in which the proline is replaced by leucine at 285, then there is severe deficiency in butyrylcholinesterase, and that causes resistance to succinylcholine metabolism. So silent mutations, that is butyrylcholinesterase A and butyrylcholinesterase K, produce prolonged apnea, not only in succinylcholine but also in mivacurium, and causes increased toxicity in case of cocaine, because cocaine is also metabolized. So in this way, polymorphism in pseudocholinesterase affect drugs like suxamethonium, mivacurium and cocaine. Thank you.